Malay kids living in Sydney, Australia. My grandfather spent 24 years in prison in Tibet for opposing China's occupation of our homeland. My grandmother was also in prison by the Chinese government for 18 years. Today, we want to share 10 facts about Tibet because not many people in the world today know much about it. Fact 1. Tibet is a country in the Himalayas. It is between India and China. It is called the roof of the world because the Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Fact number 2. Tibet has a total size of 2.5 million square kilometers. It is 1/4 of China. It is almost half of the EU. It is a bit smaller than Western Australia. It is a big country with 6 million people. Fact 3. Tibet was an independent country for many years. It had its own government, military, national flag, currency, and stamp too. Tibet was invaded by China in 1915. Fact number 4. When Tibetans talk about Tibet, we mean the whole of Tibet with its 3 provinces of Utsang, Amdo, and Kham. After the invasion, China divided Tibet into 5 areas. Tibet Autonomous Region includes Utsang and parts of Kham. The rest of Kham and Amdo are joined into 4 Chinese provinces. So, when China talks about Tibet, they are talking to the Tibet Autonomous Region. Fact 5. You may be wondering why China invaded Tibet. Tibet has a big land and it is in an important location. Guess what? It is also rich in minerals such as copper, gold, and lithium. China needs all this to grow its economy. Fact number 6. Do you know Tibet is called the Third Pole? That's because it has the largest amount of fresh water outside the North and South Pole. It is the source of most of the big rivers in Asia like the Ganges, Mekong, and Yangtze. Fact number 7. In 1959, His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the leader of Tibet, escaped to India. He started up a government in exile in Dharamsala in northern India. It's a fully democratic government in exile. How cool is that? Fact number 8. There are no human rights and freedom in Tibet. People cannot talk or write about politics. They cannot keep a photo of the Dalai Lama. They get arrested if they do so. There are video cameras and police everywhere in the city watching you. Kids like us cannot study in Tibetan language in their schools. Tibetans have become second-class citizens in their own country. Fact number 9. China is telling the world there are no problems in Tibet and that Tibetans are happy, but they are not letting foreign journalists and diplomats and tourists to travel freely to Tibet and see for themselves. Fact number 10. Tibetans have never stopped opposing China's rule in Tibet and the destruction of our culture and land. We are proud of our rich culture. We have been fighting for freedom for the last 60 years and we will not give up until Tibet is free. We hope Tibet will be free in our lifetime.